Do you have tight hamstrings or tight calves? Well, meet Dr. Mike in a tabletop position. We've got a partner downward facing dog stretch for you. He's got really tight hamstrings. Go ahead and walk your hands a handprint forward, Doc Mike. Shift your hips backwards, press your chest to your thighs, curl the toes under. When you're ready, shove your hips to the sky. Partner B, which is myself, is going to crisscross applesauce your arms. Get in a nice wide stance behind your partner. Oh yeah, say hello. Grab up right above the kneecaps and then traction yourself behind to give a nice hamstring calf stretch for your partner. He's internally rotating here.
Girl, that's a booty hole.
Then switch it up. Go ahead and release. Grab the outer edges of your partner's knees. Take a big inhale. Then exhale, traction yourself, external rotation. How does that feel, Doc Mike?
Fantastic.
You might,
Calf, hamstring.
Big inhale, exhale, release and let it go. And there you have it, little partner stretch.
Only